Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. FDA panel recommends testosterone therapy be more accessible to men. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, panel is recommending loosening restrictions on testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, for men. Historically, TRT has been difficult to obtain as it requires proof of consistently low testosterone levels and specific symptoms. The panel is proposing to declassify TRT medications as controlled substances and update their labels to expand access for men with age-related low testosterone. Symptoms of low testosterone include reduced sex drive, erectile dysfunction, fatigue, loss of muscle mass, depression, and cognitive issues. Testosterone is crucial for men's health, affecting muscle, bone, mood, energy, and metabolism. However, levels naturally decline with age. While TRT has been approved for men with medically diagnosed low testosterone, the narrow FDA labeling has limited access, leading to the rise of online and cash-based TRT clinics. The panel's recommendation aims to address these restrictions, which have been partly due to concerns about misuse by athletes. Recent studies have also found TRT to be generally safe for the heart and prostate, addressing previous major concerns. The panel's discussion is part of the FDA's re-evaluation of the scientific evidence on various medical treatments. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak